Visually identify whether 1, 2, or 3 plant strata, herbaceous, shrub, and tree, are present in your study plot. Compare your results with the quantitative reference values in the agroecosystem health cards. 3 strata give 8 points, 2 strata give 5 points, and 1 stratum gives 2 points. Shrubs and trees provide shelter for grazing animals, while creating new ecological niches and habitats above and below ground.